Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably checking out this website right here. It's called dollah.co. Okay, dollar spelled with a LLAH at the end, .co. This is a PTC website, a pay-to-click website. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to review dollah.co to see if this is a good way for you to make some extra money online, especially with what's going on with the world right now. COVID is not over at all. Economy is a bit weird, right? Depending on when you're watching this video, because this video will be online for a long time. But let's check out this little website to see whether you can really make some decent money or not. All right, so dollah.co is a new kid on the block. They are a fairly new pay-to-click website. And if you come to this website right here, you can basically just come to the top, and sign up. I've got an account with them as well, and there are many different ways that you can make money from them. Okay, so once you log in, you need to confirm your email address, verify it, all right, and then over here you can come to earn, and there are different ways that you can basically earn money from them. All right, so with all PTC websites, there are little things that you can do. For example, you can download offers, right? So these are all offer walls, right? So you can download the Offer Toro offer, you can download the AdGate offer, you can download the AdGem offer, and every single offer will require you to do slightly different things. Some of them will require you to put in, a credit card, your credit card details, which you can cancel later down the road, by the way, okay? So you don't necessarily have to pay for them. And some will pay, it just really depends. Sometimes it'll pay you $1, sometimes it'll pay you $5, sometimes it'll pay you $10. It just really depends on the offer that you download, all right? So that's one way to make money with dollah.co. Another way to make money with them is through surveys, okay? So surveys pays anywhere from 10 cents per survey up to $4 per survey. That's pretty good, okay? Because most survey websites will only pay between 50 cents and $2 per survey. So you can check out the survey section if you want here, all right? Just understand though that when it comes to surveys, you can't sit there and fill out like 50 surveys a day. It doesn't really work that way. You have to register with the survey websites, and then based on your demographic, they will send you surveys, maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month. So it sort of adds up over time, okay? So that's some of the ways that you can make money. You can also play games on their website, all right? Depending on the game though, right, you can earn actually up to $30 per game, but it does take time for you to build that up slowly over time. So it's not like an instant thing. You're not gonna make $30 in the first 5 minutes of playing the game, but it does allow you to build up your income over a period of time, all right? So in terms of the payouts, the way that you can get paid out currently at the time of recording this video is mainly through cryptocurrency, all right? Through Bitcoin, Litecoin, and they are going to add PayPal, and they're also going to be able to do gift cards in the near future, right? So they may already offer that at the time of you watching this video, because it depends on when you're watching this video. But those are some great ways, right? So cryptocurrency, which is a very strong way of getting paid, especially in this day and age, with fiat currency doing all sorts of weird things right now, right? The economy is a bit strange as well with the war and all that stuff, again depending on when you're watching this video, okay? But they will add PayPal and gift cards as well in the near future. But a pretty solid PTC website, so if you want to check them out, you can just head over to dollah.co. You can register again with a free account, okay? And then once you are ready to cash out and you've earned enough points, you can cash out by clicking the cash out button here, okay? That's how it works. Now please understand that dollah.co is a PTC website. So just like all PTC websites, they're not designed to make you rich, okay? This is a low skill set way of making some money online. Look, if you've got an extra hour a day, 2 hours, 3 hours a day, and you're not doing that much, right? And you don't really have skills, you don't have online marketing skills, you don't have a business, then a website like dollah.co might be a decent way to make a little bit of extra money. Now, are you going to get rich overnight with dollah.co? No, you're not. This is not going to pay for your retirement. You're not going to be able to travel the world with dollah.co. But look, if you have an extra half an hour a day and you can come here and you can fill out a survey, or you can download an offer, then you might make a little bit of extra money. We're talking about $1 here, $2 there, $3 here, $4 there, right? So if you add it up over the month, I mean, you may be able to make $50, $100, that sort of thing, right? But if we're talking about life-changing income, I mean, we're talking about, you know, making $500 a day, right? $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, then dollar.co is not designed to do that, right? So it just really depends on who you are and what you're trying to achieve, right? So look, if you're just looking for a simple website like this where you've got no skills, you've got a little bit of time, and you just kind of want to fiddle around the internet and make, you know, a couple of bucks here and there, then if you want to sign up with dollar.co, I've got my affiliate link. Completely up to you, right? If you want to give me some credit for introducing this website to you and showing you that it is legitimate, right? Just go ahead and click the first link below this video. That's my affiliate link for dollar.co, and you can sign up through that link. I'll get a bit of credit for that. Just want to be completely transparent with you, right? Or if you're like, well, Aaron, you know, I'm here because I've got a bit of time and I want to make the big money, right? I don't want to make a couple of bucks here and there. I want to make big money. I want to make like $100 a day, $300 a day, $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, right? And so this is what I've been able to show thousands of people all over the world how to do that, because I've been marketing online now for 13 to 14 years, a long time, right? So what I do is I sell digital courses online. It's called affiliate marketing. I find a group of people that have a problem that they're trying to solve. I find a product that will help them to solve that problem, and I just matchmake them, right? I meet them in the middle. I become a middle person. They make a purchase. I generate a commission, and you can do the same thing. And I've taught thousands of people how to do this. Now, this is what's called a high income skill set. You need to learn how to do this properly, right? This is not something where you just come online and you like fill out a survey, right? That requires no skill. This is a high income skill set. It's like becoming a brain surgeon online. Now, it's not difficult, but you do have to learn how to do it properly, all right? So if that's you, if you're like, Aaron, I want to leverage the internet, I want to learn how to do that properly, I want to make money from home, from my computer, just with an internet connection, then I've got a free workshop that you can check out if you would like, all right? All you have to do is check out the second link below this video, okay? Click on the second link, and that will lead you directly to my free 6-figure workshop. It's going to show you how to do affiliate marketing properly, how to recommend great products to great people all over the world. And if you want, you can start to create a full-time income that way. You know, replace your salary, double your salary, triple your salary, quadruple your salary. That's what myself and a lot of my students have been able to do. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this review right here of dollar.co. Great way to start earning a little bit of money online, right? And then if you want to take the next step, then I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care and all the best to you.